Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video I'm going to explain what are actions in Photoshop and how we can use them effectively, and it can save us a lot of time and effort. So let's get started. So actions basically it can save or store each and every step that we are creating, and we can apply the same steps to any other image that we want. So for example, I'm going to create a skin retouching effect and I'm going to apply each and every step to other image. So first we need to go to window and turn on the actions panel. So these are the basic or the default actions that are already there. So we need to create a folder first. So click on this thing, create new set. You can name it anything that you want. I will name it skin. And if you already know this effect, you can skip this part and go right at the end where I explain how to apply the actions. Or if you want to refresh your memory, you can stick to this part. So after creating the folder, we need to click on this particular button, which is create new action. Once you click on it, it shows the record button. So firstly we need to name it. You can name it anything that you want. So I will name it enhance. And if you want, you can choose a function key, shortcut key, and you can choose a color. It is not compulsory, but I'm going to choose red. And once you hit the record button, it will start recording the steps. So I will click on record now. So for this particular effect, I'm going to right click and duplicate layer, one more duplicate layer. Now remember, we have to create the layers separately and then we need to convert them into a smart object. We cannot copy the smart object itself. We need to create them separately like this. Separately create them. Now go to the top layer and change the blending mode to linear light and use the filter other high pass and choose the value around 5 to 6 or maybe 5 to 7. So I'm going to keep it to maybe 6.5, and we can always change the value. If you are not happy with the result, we can always change this value because we are applying it on a smart object. That is the benefit of creating a smart object. So press OK. Now to the bottom layer, click on the bottom layer and again go to filter, and this time you are going to use blur filter. So blur, Gaussian blur. I will zoom it a little bit so that you can see this texture clearly. Now if you are happy with the value, we can simply, so this looks pretty good to me, 29, 30. This looks pretty good to me, the texture, skin texture. And if you are not happy with the result, we can simply double click and go to the option like this, double click, and we can always change the value like this. So this looks pretty good to me. Now we need to select both the layers and create a group, and now create a layer mask to the group, layer mask. Now we need one more step, but we are not going to perform the step over here because that step is purely manual. We have to use it according to the image. So we will stop here. So stop recording. So click on this stop button. So this action of ours is ready. These are the 15-20 steps, undo 15-20 steps that we have created. Now we don't need to create this entire set. We can simply click on the play button and that will create this entire effect on the other image. So I will select this image. Now I am going to select the enhance action and I am simply going to play. So that will apply the entire effect as it is just by clicking it once. So that is the benefit or usefulness of actions. Now we can see this has applied the effect on the entire image, but we don't need on the entire image because we only want to apply it on the skin. So using the black color, we are going to fill it with black color. So keep the black color over here and simply press Alt backspace, or if you are using Mac then Option backspace, so that it will hide the effect. Now using the brush tool, and as you remember, black color hides in layer mask, black color hides and white color reveals. So select white color now and simply by using brush tool, opacity 100, flow 100, we can simply use the effect only on the skin, not on the entire image. So as you can see, it has only already looking good, and rest you know how to do it. So this is only, this video is only we are concentrating on the action itself, not the effect. Still I am going to show you. So this is the effect that we have applied, and you can use it on any image that you want. Even if you are selecting 100 images, you can apply this on 100 images. Now this is the before and this is the after. So that is the benefit of using actions in Photoshop. As you can see, it had already saved us a lot of time and effort, and we can, because we have applied the effect on smart object, we can always change the values according to the different image. And because this area is manual, this area is not fixed, that's why we only applied the layer mask. We applied the layer mask before, but we are going to apply the color and the brush tool only on the new image, so that the area, because the area is different on different images. So that is how we can use actions effectively, so to save us a lot of time and effort. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.